Hello everyone. My name is Papia. Everybody knows my name is Papia. My students, my friends, my family. I am not here to publicize myself out here today. I come to Facebook in many purposes and many times in different occasions, maybe for fun or amusement or to talk to you. But today, the purpose is actually very important. I came here to promote Red. It is already promoted. It is a well-known parlor. It is Red Beauty Studio and Salon. Everybody knows it from 10 years. I don't have to give an extra explanation for it. It defines the re-ethnic definition of beauty. And the founder and the owner of Red Parlor is Afroza Parveen. So, Afrozapu has given me the opportunity to talk a little bit about it. I have taken a lot of experience from this parlor many times, and I am fully satisfied with its all kind of services, whether it's eyebrow pluck, whether it's haircut, whether it's hair color, rebonding, anything. They are specialized with each and everything, I would say, and the people who are giving service here, they're very humble, and they will guide you through every process, whatever you need for your beauty splendor or beauty expertise. Also, I would like to say during the pandemic, it was very difficult for every people to maintain their households and going out and all that. So all the sectors of economic sectors were facing difficulties, but Alhamdulillah, it is preventing. We are now coming to the new normal, and this new normal in Red is actually the new normal, from their safety precaution to their services, from their social distance maintaining, from the girls maintaining temperature to giving services. Everything has been maintained so beautifully and so with government rules. I will suggest each and every person of my family, because I have taken their service in this during pandemic time, and which is very safe. I would request my friends, my students who have actually requested me that they want to come to Red. What is the situation out here? Please come and visit at least, and you will understand how it is. And truly saying, there is a special what would I say, a special uh, service which will be provided to you if you put a code of mine, PN07. They're going to give you 7% of discount in the parlor. But it is not for all services. There is always a shorto projojjo. There is a terms and condition, of course, about it. We cannot give a discount to each and every service you take. Suppose you come from eyebrow plucking, or you come to do your simple waxing. But if you come for like other big services, of course you're going to have a 7% of discount with a code of PN. And the service must have to be above 350 taka. So that's it for now. I hope to see you people. I hope you will come here and make my name some out of it, and you will actually see how their services are. Thank you so much. Take care, have a good day, have a safe life.